Okay, guys, so remember I've shown you a whole lot of things that I've that I played here. However, there are a few things that I added here, so that's what I'm focusing on here too. So I hope you get it. So let me break it down for you. So that's the first one. What I did was I played this. This first chord here on my right hand, let's pay attention to our right hand first. The first chord here is D, F, B flat. The next chord is E flat, G flat, and C. Then the next one is the E, G, and D flat. Okay, but as I'm landing on this chord, that's when I land on the 3. So our left hand is G, D, and G. You can take off that D there. Okay. Or you can still keep the D if you want to. But I like taking off that D. Sounds better for me. Now the next chord here is on the 6, and I've shown you this before actually, but let me just break it down. So we have C and G. On our right hand we have D flat, E, and B flat. Yeah, D flat, E, and B flat. So while keeping that left hand on that 6, which is C there, you just do switches of this diminished 7th chord. So but you're taking it down actually. So I've shown you this. So this is the next one, and this is B flat, D flat, and G. And the next one is G, B flat, and E. Okay, then I'll walk up, and finally it's simple. Actually, this is just like the 2-5-1. So, but let me just break it down for you if you want it. So that is B flat, C, E flat, G, and back to F. Then you hold all this together, and that is B flat, F on our left hand, while we play on our right hand we play A flat, B, D, and F. Then take that F off and hit the chord again. Then play your major 7th. Okay, that's the E flat major 7th chord. Okay, and that is E flat, B flat, E flat. That is G, B flat, and D. So you're kind of breaking it down. Hope you get it.